Took a trip down to Target because they're having a 50% off sale. But before we stop by that section, I have to always check out the dollar spot. So they have these little organized. They had them before, but that was $5. They have these shower curtains right here. They had two different prints at my Target. So they had this one right here. It's like a checkered print, and these are $5 too. And then they have this one right here. That's like a dot print, so it goes down. This right here, we've seen this before, $5. So if you want to get organized, I like clear pieces because they can go with a lot of different things. I thought these were cool. Okay, so it has 3 shells. That one was like a marbled one, and then you can see the little feet on it. And then that one is a white one. And then when you're not using it, you can break it down like that. But you can see the shelves were really empty today in the bullseye section, the dollar spot. So hopefully next time I go back to Target, they'll have some new stuff for summer. They had these collapsible bins. So this one will come in a pack of 2. So you get 2. They're 2 different sizes. They had 2 different color combos for that. This one is a large one, so you only get 1. They were $5 for those 2. This one is under bed storage. So 2 medium ones you'll get, or you can get 1 large one. Those are the colors that they had. I don't know if they have them in the different colors for the different sizes. Everything could be the same. But those are the 2 colors that I saw at my Target. But you can see the shelves are empty. Hopefully something good is in those boxes because I hate to see that section empty because I love it. These right here, so for travel, different things this summer. I love a cute little lunch box. So they had these lunch boxes. They're a decent size, and they have these little containers, and they're like a glass. And you can see you get a set of 3 with those. You get a set of 4 with those. These are kind of smaller than the other ones. They have bigger ones. You get a set of 2. They were $10 for all of that. And then these right here, the little plastic lunch boxes with the fork spoon combo there. They were $3. So they had it in a square shape. They had it in this round one, which was kind of deep too. They had it in different colors. So you might want to grab those. Oh, I thought these were so cute. So I thought they were part of like the Opal House because they were with some of the Opal House stuff, but they're not. But look at her. Isn't she cute? She was so cute. And they had her all over everything. So $15 for the pillow. They have these little throws here. They had it in that print. They had that pretty yellow. These are the Opal House, but those weren't, so I thought they were the same. But we saw most of these pieces before, but you can still grab them. This one is like a nice little hefty piece, and if you don't like that blue, you can paint it a different color. But it's just a nice different kind of piece. But like I said, a lot of these we saw before, but like I said, they had her in everything. So they had her in a pillow, they had her in artwork, and they have different options, but I just thought she was so cute with the colors. It kind of gave like a retro feel to it too. So but you can see they have different prints. I think this is all part of the same collection. But they had shower curtains, just a ton of different stuff. They had rugs, all kind of different things. But I just thought she was cute. I wanted to grab one, but I'm like, what do I grab? Do I grab the throw pillow? It's like kind of bright for my decor, but I was like, maybe the mug, maybe the tumbler. I don't know what to grab, but I think she's cute. They have other ones, like I said, so if you don't like her, you can grab one of the other ones that they have. The tumblers were like $10, the mugs $7. They had plates, they had all kind of different things. College, I know, has not started yet, but college will be here before you know it. And Target always has great stuff for back to school season, so you can get ready for your dorm, your first apartment. So they have this set. It's the shower curtain. You get the hooks, and you get the rug. They have different ones. So if you don't want black and white, they have blue ones. They had green ones. They had different things. This little bathroom accessory kit. So you get the soap pump and all that and stuff. And you see that tray to keep it on. This one is going to be different. It has the hamper. It has the towels. So they had different ones, and they were all, priced nice. Doormats. Target always has great doormats. I like these like simple like ones because the brown and the black look so cute together, and it's just like a pop, and it kind of gives your home like that classic look. But if you want like a little pop of color for the season, they have those too. And you can see those are like $13. This one right here reminds me, it can go with like some of the Dollar Tree pieces. Everybody has a notable collection right now, but it can go with the Dollar Tree pieces. These nice and neutral, so they have like that wreath there. This macrame mirror I thought was pretty, $4 for that. And I think once you hang it against the flat wall, the pieces of course won't fall to the back like that. A lot of these pieces we have saw before, but I just think they're so nice. Those like leather pieces and stuff, you can grab those. I'm not sure if we saw this one before though. So it has like the little tufting, it has like a distressed look on the like faux leather there. I think that's nice. And then it kind of had like a really soft feel to it too at the same time. So yeah, you might want to check that out. And then this is where all of the clearance was. So they had a ton of different things. They had decor, they had furniture, just a bunch of different things. And it was like up to 50% off. First, I thought it was like $2. And now I'm like, that's not a discount if it went up. But I think it was $12 and it went to $6, but they just put the price so close. They had candles, they had those in different colors. They have planters. And these are like really good for right now. You can use these right now. These aren't like fall pieces or winter pieces or anything like that, but they have been out for a while. So they are 50% off. And they had a ton of different options at my Target. So you might want to check out your Target to see what they have in this 50%, because I think it's everywhere. So you can grab this 50% off. This mirror, I think we saw it before, but I do love it. You can see like little details on the side there. And it is $40 now. And that is a good size mirror. These are great. They would be great for holiday time too. So they have it in the gold, and then they have it in the black, and it's metal. But just a ton of different things. They have baskets, like I said, they have planters, they have the wood pieces. I love a good wood piece. $15 for that one right there. You can see they have the planter there. They have all those gold planters we saw before. They have lamps. This one down to $85, and it's kind of like that wicker look on that one right there. Faux greenery, you can grab that. This plant right here, $20 for that right there. They have baskets, and they had another basket over there that matched this basket. $22 for this one. It's a nice deep basket. You could put throw pillows in there, maybe something. This bench right here, it didn't have a tag on it, but I believe because everything in that section was like 50% off. So I believe this would be part of the sale also. And I thought it was really pretty, really nice, and a nice neutral color. The legs had that nice like brass looking gold on it. Thought that was pretty. This right here, these are on sale. So yeah, you might want to grab some of these pieces, because like I said, everything in this section was on sale. So it's like, the Threshold, Studio McGee, what have you and stuff. Seems like all of the pieces were 50% off. This pretty green chair right here, love that. Just I like that cut with it looks like it's the cushions are floating around, but they're in place so they won't go anywhere. But that one was on sale, and that was $125, so 50% off for that. These are on sale, and they have like a nice little detail on those right there, $50 for that. So yeah, like I said, you can get a ton of furniture, different things at Target right now for 50% off. So it's mostly that the Threshold and Studio McGee pieces, like I said, but they have a lot of good pieces, and the pieces are neutral. This right here on sale for $160, again 50% off, and you can see it has shelves that you'll be able to put up in there. This one right here, $175. It wasn't out of the box, but that's a little picture of how that one looks there. And then they even had artwork and stuff on sale, so you can grab a ton of things. And then over to another one of my favorite sections in Target. So yeah, I think we saw a lot of this. They don't change up too much for them, but I do love them. They had this cute little, I don't have a kiddo that would use this, but I thought it was pretty because I love a dollhouse. So $130, and it's like open in the back, so it's an actual dollhouse. This little fruit drainer, I just thought it was cute because it's like a ceramic, so it just made me feel fancy. $20 for that right there. It's a nice neutral color, so you can do your fruit in like a fancy ceramic thing. This mug holder, nice and pretty. A wood piece goes a long way because it goes a lot of different things. $20 for that. Most of their furniture we have seen before, but they have like a lot of footrests, ottomans, different things like that in this area. candles, all that stuff we saw. These dishes, great for summer. So they're like that, material that you can take outside. $3 per plate for that. They had it in this pattern and in the straight pattern at my Target. They had little disposable napkins. They had these cute little plates right here. So those come in a set for $8. You get 4 of them in a set. They had them in the stripes and they had them in the checker. They had a nice variety of table linens. This, I like the little textures on it and stuff like that. $5 for that one. You can see they had a pretty blue stripe one. I was trying to figure out, is this ice bucket the same as that ice bucket? Because for some reason, I don't know if my eyes were deceiving me, that looked bigger than that one with the top on. So I'm just like, did the top make it look smaller? But they both were the same price. So I'm thinking they're the same ice bucket. My eyes were just messing with me a bit. But it has that pretty wood handle on it and then like the metal top there. This for outdoor dining. You really need some version of something like this. So $15 covers your food, keeps the bugs and stuff off of it. This, I thought it was like some kind of outside game, but it's a shade, so you can pop that up, take that with you. $90, and it wasn't too heavy, so you can carry that around, go to the park, go to different places with that. This backpack I thought was cute, sophisticated looking. $40. It has the nice little plaid print on it, and it has straps, so it's like an actual backpack. You can carry it like an actual backpack. Their pieces are just so nice, sophisticated. They have that retro look to them. They have that classic look. This little cooler right here I thought was cute because it kind of gave me that retro vibe. It had a bottle opener on it. $150 for that. The green could go with a lot of spaces. And if you don't have a space outside with like a built-in cooler, you can take that, put that outside. These little pieces for outside, so they're getting the material that you can take outside. They had disposable napkins. These little bowls right here I thought were cute for like snacks and stuff. So they come in a set of 2. They had different prints. You get 4. They're for $4. These little plates right here. So just a ton of different things right now at Target that you can grab still for outdoors. These like floor pillows, I would use them as floor pillows. I don't know what else you might use them for, but I like them. The colors were real pretty. $35 for those. Not bad at all. Okay. So Dollar Tree had some strainers like this, and I did grab $1.25, but they sold out quick. So if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, this is like the same, and it's $3. And they're nice. They have more colors. I think they have black and maybe another color, but they didn't have it there. They have the cute little ice trays and stuff for the season, all those things. And the outdoor furniture, we saw all that my Target had before, but I just wanted to show you clearance too. 50% off on a lot of the outdoor furniture pieces at Target right now. So if you're still looking, you can try to grab some of those pieces. Some of the chairs were 30% off. So all kind of different discounts going on right now at Target for outdoor stuff, home decor, all kind of stuff. So you might want to head over to Target and see what yours has right now.